Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.3, now problem number 11. In problem number 11, you are downloading a song. The percent y in decimal form of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by the equation y that is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. First subdivision, grab the equation. Second one, find the total MB of the song. The third one, after how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded? And the fourth one, after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely? So we can see one by one. So here is the equation, y in terms of x. Here y refers the percent of megabytes remaining to get downloaded, in x seconds. Here x refers time taken. First one, grab the equation, subdivision number 1. We can draw the graph first. Take x and y. X equals 0, find the value of y. Then y equals 0, find the value of x. That will be easy for you. First I take x equal to 0. I do the calculation here. 1 implies when x equal to 0, y that is equal to minus 0.1 into 0, that is 0 plus 1, that is y equal to 1. Y that is equal to 1. Now substitute y equal to 0. Equation 1 implies, replace y by 0, 0 that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Minus 0.1x comes left hand side plus 0.1x, that is equal to 1. Plus 0.1 you can write to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 and 0.1 are same. Into x that is equal to 1. Therefore 1 into x, 10 ones are 10. Here y equals 1, here x equals 10. Substitute x that is equal to 10. Again I tell you 0.1 that is equal to 1 by 10, 1 into x. Then cross multiply, 10 ones are 10. So x that is equal to 10 here. So here we have x and y, it's a straight line only. Here the 2 points are enough for getting a straight line. You can draw the rough diagram. Y axis, x axis. Here x axis refers time in t seconds, x seconds. Time x in seconds. And y refers megabyte. To be downloaded. To be downloaded. Okay. So rough diagram only, the 2 points are 0, 1 and 10, 0. 0, 1 and 10, 0. In y axis I take 1 and x axis I take 10. Here I take 1, here I take 10. So what point it is? This is 10, 0, this is 0, 1. Both the points been plotted. I am going to join the 2 points. Subdivision number 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, find the total MB of the song. Total MB of the song, it can be found easily from the graph itself. Look at that y-axis. Y-axis refers MB to be downloaded. What's the maximum value of y? That's 1 only. Look at that maximum value of y, because the line is crossing through the y-axis at 0, 1. The y value maximum is 1 only. So 1 MB is the maximum one. So subdivision number 2, total MB of the song. Subdivision number 2, total MB of the song, that is equal to 1. So that is 1 MB from the diagram or from the graph. Okay, now subdivision number 2 is over. Now subdivision number 3. After how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded? 75% of a song gets downloaded means, what about the remaining 25%? Out of 100%, 70% of song gets downloaded, remaining only 25%. We have to consider only 25% because what is given? The remaining to get downloaded, that is given by the equation y that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So I have to consider only the remaining percentage of the song. Given song gets downloaded equals 75%. Therefore, song to be downloaded, that means a remaining. Okay. So out of 100%, 75% gone means, what about the remaining? That is 25%. 100 minus 75, that is 25%. This is the value of y. So equation number 1 implies a replace y by 25. The question itself given, the percent y in decimal form given. So decimal form 25 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.25. You have to consider y that is equal to 0.25. Substitute in equation number 1. Here it is y that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So y that is equal to, you know the value of y, 0.25, that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Okay. It comes left hand side, plus 0.1x, that is equal to 1, it goes right hand side, minus 0.25. 0.1x, that is equal to 1 minus 0.25, that is equal to 0.75. I do the calculation here. 1, that is 1.00, 0.25, have to subtract. To subtract, it will be 10, this is 9, it will be 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2, that is 7, 0 minus 0, that is 0, 0.75. Then x, that is equal to 0.75 divided by 0.1. You have to eliminate the decimal point. So you can multiply by here. After decimal point we have 2 digits, here only 1 digit, so that the maximum one is 2, so that multiplied by 100, divide by 100, because in 100 only we have double zero, that is equal to 0.75 into 100, that is equal to 75. 0.1 into 100, that is equal to 10, you know that. 75 by 10, that is equal to 7.5. That is the value of x. Therefore, time taken for the song, 75% of the song to get downloaded equals 7.5 seconds. Time taken for 75% of the song to get downloaded equals 7.5 seconds. Subdivision number 3 is over. Now subdivision number 4. Subdivision number 4, after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely? Will be downloaded completely means 100% of the song, the full song gets downloaded. So what about the remaining? Only 0%. You have to consider only remaining always, because you are given remaining in the question itself, right? Given song gets downloaded equals 100%. Therefore, a remaining to be downloaded. So NING, remaining to be downloaded, that is equal to 0%. You have to consider that is y, 0%. Okay, 0% means 0 only. 0 by 100, that is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 1 implies, in equation number 1 what is given? Y that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Y can be replaced by 0. 0 that is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. It comes left hand side, plus 0.1x that is equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 divided by 0.1, that is equal to 1 divided by 0.1, that is equal to 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 into division become multiplication, 1 by 10 reciprocal 10, that is equal to 10. We got the value of x, that is equal to 10. Or else we can do like this, 0.1x that is equal to 1. I continue here. 0.1 can be replaced by 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into x that is equal to 1, which implies 1 into x, 10 ones are 10. Can calculate the value of x in any one of the ways, whichever is easy. I got the value of x. Therefore, you have to write the result, the time taken for the song to get downloaded completely, that is equal to, what's the value of x? 10 unit seconds, 10 seconds. That's all. Problem number 11 is completed. Thank you, children.